This project started off by taking DNA from one of our pet lab rats and splicing it together with DNA from one of our pet white cats. We took it to the laboratory where we spliced it all together until what we were left with was the perfect DNA match. And after many months, they were born. We hand-fed these rat cats for a few months until they were old enough to eat on their own. They're so cute and so smart. They're almost like a dog, but it is a rat and a cat. As you can see, they love to play. And even like rats, they love their spin wheel. We had quite a few of them, and so we let a lot of them go into the wild, but kept a few for ourselves. They still come back at night from time to time, and I love to feed them from my hand. Since we're coming up on Easter, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite creations of all time. I was fascinated by the Easter Bunny as a child, and so I decided to make one for my own. So I took my pet bunny into my laboratory, and I decided to splice his DNA with my chicken here. And after my chicken had laid an egg, the results were astounding. As you can see here, we have a bunny-chicken hybrid. This is a bunny that walks like a chicken, but plays like a bunny. They eat like maniacs. They are so cute and playful. They love humans. The best part about these little guys is that they too lay eggs. I sell these for $5. One of my favorite animals that I've made so far was a cat mixed with a bird. And you won't believe it, but bird DNA and cat DNA are very similar, and their bone structure made it very easy to have favorable results. So just as I did with the chicken, I extracted the DNA from a cat, which was quite easy, and I spliced it with DNA from a chicken, like the ones from the videos before. The results were absolutely breathtaking. As you can see, I've successfully developed cats with wings, and although they can't fly, they still function as normal cats, except they have wings. I've sold hundreds of these all over the world, and I hope you love them. I've been trying to make my own dinosaurs, and so I took DNA from my pet frog and pet snake and fertilized some eggs. After about 5 months, they all began to hatch. What is so peculiar about these creatures is that they look like snakes, but they have arms and legs. Here are some baby ones. They grow to about 5 to 6 feet in length, but they're not perfect yet. So I released them into the wild and decided to get back into the lab. Follow for part 2.
Gusto mo bang makatulong sa pamilya mo? O gusto mong gumawa buhay ng pamilya mo? Ano pang hinihintay mo? My skin is you.
Di pa ready. Ha? Demanding ang mga girlfriend. Gusto ganito, gusto ganyan. Ewan.
Laging chill, hindi ka maiinis.
Sana naman ay pansinin mo, pagbigyan pusong ito. I understand everything.